Hello everyone. Welcome back another short tutorial. In this tutorial number 5, I will show you guys how to get that um, pedestrian simulation working in Rhino by using the street network from OSM data imported to Urbano, and also the shapefile we imported from Orion. So in previous tutorial, I covered those two components, so it's I don't really go through that in this one. And that one, I will show you how to build that script so you can kind of visualize it, or you can render it, or you can animate it to get the similar result with package. I will show you guys how to do that by using Rhino Grasshopper script with the Urbano components. So let's get started. First of all, as usual, I will clear my script. Just we can build it from scratch together. So we got the street network from OpenStreetMap. To start building the script, we need to have the street curve, the street network, and also the starting point being given in certain area. Like if we go area, and you can see the starting point is more or less in within the intersection, and also you can do it as a reverse, and you can build a point, and you can get the 800 radius as well. That means 10 minutes walk, 800 meters. Also, you need to have the building curve, the building footprint for the whole area. So first of all, we need to have the create a street network from Urbano components, and remember the click split. It should be show it okay, but it pops up an error, and in this case you need to have the UTM data and the vector data you can get from the Urbano model. So we got the street network running and preview it, and then you need to get the simulation components called router, and then you plug that in, and then you've been asking for the original point, so that we got the center point of that thing, of that 800 radius. So I plug it in, and you're asking for destination. I will use all the building footprint as the destination. If yep, it's working. So in the transport mode, we choose pedestrian. Time limit is the optional feature, so we not really need to worry about that. Yep. And then we got the trip, and we got the route, and we got the time, and we got destination. So what we're gonna do is we try to get the route, the trip, under 10 minutes, under the certain time you've been given. So let's just put that dispatch to filter that out. Every trip more than 10 minutes. Also given a smaller components to get a time. We want that time smaller than 10 minutes. So once we get that, we can filter it out the trip within by given time. So we need to have the inspect trip, put it in, and then we start to have that the script running to see how many building can cover in 10 minutes. And above that, we try to calculate all the buildings it can cover in certain time. So it's about the destination. We got 1078 destination can be covered in certain time. So we try to get that data out. So I get the curve. And then we put the length of the curve to it. And then we need to flatten the list. So we got the output is 1078. And then we just use a concat. Here. Maybe put panel to say building can be reached in certain minutes. Okay, that we got custom preview tag, text tag. I'm using 3D text tag because it gives you the option you can scale it. So maybe set to 100 to try to see the scale. Okay, the components doesn't working because we didn't give it the location. So for the easiest way is you can set a point, or you can give it as construct the point. By the so that will shows in the 0, 0, 0. So what we try to do is we want to put it somewhere near the diagrams. So we maybe put it 1000 to move it towards X and towards Y. And then we need to adjust the minimum to keep it like negative input, so you can move it towards to the left. So by setting that up, we can use that script to simulate how far you can get, and it got the number. It can reflect the